Generally, blockchains are not inherently interoperable, meaning that data and assets on one blockchain can't be transferred to another blockchain. Many projects tackle this problem by building crypto bridges between them to facilitate data and asset transfers. However, each crypto bridge connects only specific blockchains and is therefore not a one-size-fits-all solution. If a team builds a bridge between Ethereum and Bitcoin, for instance, that bridge cannot be used to move assets from XRP to Ethereum. Also, only users who have crypto wallets compatible with a particular bridge can use that bridge. A crypto bridge is a protocol that enables two or more blockchains to work and share data with each other. It connects blockchains so users on one network can participate in the activities of another. This allows crypto users to utilize their holdings outside native chains. Blockchains differ in their tokens, consensus mechanisms, communities, and governance models. A crypto bridge facilitates blockchain interoperability, allowing data and crypto asset transfers across different chains. Crypto bridges also allow blockchains to build off one another's strengths. For example, Bitcoin doesn't have to reconstruct its blockchain to incorporate smart contracts because other networks can fill that gap. Additionally, crypto bridges allow developers to communicate and collaborate regardless of which network they're working on. As such, protocols can more easily connect and build upon one another's features and use cases. Trusted bridges depend on a central entity or a system. They include external verifiers to safely facilitate the transfer of data and value. However, this also means they require users to give up control of their crypto assets, which contradicts the crypto ethos of self-custody. Unlike trusted bridges, trustless bridges don't rely on third-party entities. Instead, they operate in a decentralized manner by utilizing smart contracts that manage the interoperability process. As such, users can maintain ownership of their crypto. While trusted bridge users must rely on the bridge operator's reputation, trustless bridge users look to the underlying code instead. Unidirectional or one-way bridges enable users to move their crypto to another network, without the possibility of sending them back via the same route. This means they should be used only for one-way transactions. Bidirectional bridges, on the other hand, allow the transfer of assets both ways. They provide a more seamless way to transfer data and crypto between two networks. And as such, might be more convenient for a user who frequently uses two networks to send and receive crypto. Solana's goal for Wormhole was to solve common issues with decentralized finance, such as high gas fees, price slippage, and network congestion. Wormhole was developed together with Certus One, a company running nodes for blockchains and providing infrastructure security services for proof-of-stake blockchains. The bridge is based on decentralized cross-chain oracles. These so-called guardians bring tokens from one chain to another by locking up or burning tokens on one chain and minting or releasing them on another. The guardians are run by node operators such as Solana validators and ecosystem stakeholders. Their aligned incentive structure with Solana may help to keep the bridge reliable. Another bidirectional bridge, Avalanche Bridge, was built especially for retail users and launched in July 2021 by Ava Labs. The AB design consists of a private codebase and relayers called wardens. The Intel SGX application is a private enclave that creates a more secure computing environment by facilitating operations in a closed space and ensuring the bridge is tamper-proof. The warden's main job is to monitor the Avalanche and Ethereum blockchains. Whenever a warden sees an ERC20 token coming to Avalanche Bridge's Ethereum, they register the transaction in the Intel SGX enclave. The trustless Polygon bridge was first proposed in early 2020 by the Polygon team to increase interoperability between the Polygon and Ethereum networks. The bridge went live later that same year. Nowadays, it allows users to transfer tokens and NFTs between Ethereum and Polygon. Now users can take advantage of Ethereum's popularity while utilizing Polygon's lower fees and faster transaction times. Polygon has two bridges through which users can transfer assets, the Proof-of-Stake Bridge and Plasma Bridge. The former secures its network by adopting the Proof-of-Stake consensus algorithm. While deposits are completed almost instantly on the Proof-of-Stake Bridge, withdrawals may sometimes take longer. This bridge supports the transfer of Ether and other common ERC tokens.
If you found this article useful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website, where you find great educational contents about cryptocurrency. As a member of our Cryptocurrency Academy, you'll have access to exclusive resources and tools to help you stay informed and make better trading decisions. Additionally, discover and join our Discord. Our Discord server will provide a supportive network of like-minded individuals who can provide guidance, advice, and encouragement.